Okay, welcome back to, as you can see, we got somebody here with us that wants to do the intro. Alright, so let me just do it. Welcome back to another episode of I Am Ready for Love, ready to love myself, ready to love someone else, and ready to teach someone else how to love me. That's all I have to say. Anyhow, guys, today's video is going to be just a little insight into the labor and delivery process. It's going to be a lot of
we know.
He wants to sleep, guys, so he might go look fussy and stuff. Anyways, it's going to be a lot of Jerome talking and not me, and
I'm gonna go labor, guys.
And you guys will understand as the story progresses. So where do we start this story?
So we try to be quick. Just start from the induction.
Okay, so I was induced, as I think you guys know. So I went in the Monday morning to be induced, and when I got there, it was about 2 hours before they actually put the thing in.
Hold on a bit. Wait, pause the video.
Yeah, so it was about 2 hours before I actually got induced, that the thing inserted to start labor and all of that. But nothing was happening. So I was just like, this name induced, alright, I can do this. This alright. And little did I know that, guys, this is what parenthood is. Hold on, Pumpkin. Yeah, guys, so hear him. So little did I know that I was just having the beginning part, the little icing on the cake and all of that. I never reached no yet. So as the evening came down,
Alright.
as the evening came down, guys, it was about 5-6 o'clock. I start feel like something, but it wasn't pain or anything. It was just like something happened a while ago. Anyhow, we went downstairs and got something to eat, and then like on my way down, me like, wait, something again. But it wasn't too much of a something for me, like stopping on my tracks and stuff. Are we trying to know that? So anyways, we got something to eat, and we came back upstairs. We sit down and we chat little, me and Jerome and my mother. And then Jerome had to leave because he didn't want to sleep and only one person could stay. So because we never expect nothing to happen that night, we said, alright, make Jerome go rest so him can be there in the day when things start to like move. So in the night, as I was there, things start to shoot off, and it was like boom, pain, boom, pain, boom, pain, and it then come or it did to come. But me like, alright, if it stay here so me might can manage, but if it get worse than this, me not can manage. And it got worse than that. So
If we got everything now.
no, we got the girl look for me.
Continue.
So anyhow, me get one. What kind of pain medication me get first?
They introduced you to the gas on here.
Yeah, me get the gas on here first, and it did absolutely nothing but make me feel dizzy, which is, I guess, make me feel high. And so me still in a pain, and they're like, no, suck, just keep sucking. I'm like, me I take it in, but it not do nothing. And the music they're not coming every day, you know. But anyways, it never do nothing. So she introduced me to an injection that I could get, and this was late in the night, like I don't know, maybe after 1 or so. And Me get the injection and I kid you not, the woman never come out of the bay yet. Like, me in a one section and behind one curtain. And me means that she not come out of the curtain yet, and I fell asleep. Like, immediately after she dropped me with the sitting, me just drop asleep. And me don't know if me did wake up in the night or not. I think I did, but me not fully remember. Then morning came and Jerome returned, and I can't remember Jerome returning. But me know say me see him in the morning. But me don't remember when he reached, me don't know when my mother left, me don't know nothing. So this is the part where Jerome starts to tell the story.
Because I'm even labor. Anyhow, guys, so that was that. So when I returned, well, first of all, before I reached back there, I think I spoke with Miss Karen and she was saying that you are going through serious labor pain. So I
because me that text her one at the time and then me stop, I couldn't do no more.
Hope you're looking in your face. Anyways, then they say, you want me to come back because I never want a baby come and I never did it. You understand? Anyhow, I reached there about after 7, I think, in the morning. And when I went there, honestly, my heart break and it's a look. You know, somebody like them, I go through it and just can't bother, like me just give up the way.
Me no remember him a rich
yeah, man,
people.
you look fresh out and you can't even talk on his pain. And she had grown and she had, I said, no, it was really, really, really bad. I said, wow, so this is something wicked? Anyhow, she was there and I think, let me just speed it up so we can get to par. She was there and then they came to do their checks in terms of how far dilation reached and all that. When they came, that was almost 24 hours and she wasn't even 1 full. She was almost at 1 centimeter based on what the nurse said. Go to your mommy. We're not friends. Alright. So you better cry now,
Tell a story. In jealous of the people.
Anyways. Ball.
Let him know and tell a story.
She wasn't fully 1. So I was saying that this thing is moving too slow, you understand? And their plan was that if 24 hours came and she didn't reach the 1 centimeter, they were going to induce her again. So now, I get thrown off. She got distracted. Anyway, then somebody going to induce her again. But Canessa was going on read back people. She was crying for serious pain. And the thing that got to me was that she wasn't retaining anything in terms of she wasn't remembering anything. She was basically talking foolishness, Jamaican term. You understand? If you say Canessa so and so, the response totally for her. So I realized that the gas on here and whatever other medication that they were giving to her really knock her out, you understand? So that they really start hit me now. So I went and I spoke to the nurse and asked if she could get a C-section instead. That was a bit challenging. I don't want to go down that part, but eventually they decided to do the C-section. Yeah, hope me not. I won't even something skip about this because I don't want to become too
going not too much deep.
Yeah. So they decided then that okay, they were going to do the C-section. So yeah, I went on a change and then that time I don't know what I can strike because she too had to agree about the C-section. So if I go in there and say, they're going to come to you.
Because me fully out of it, you know, like me don't know what I go on. I remember fight for ear myself.
Because of the risk and everything that associate with it, they need her to consciously make a decision.
Yeah, but me never conscious, so
just say yes. I'm a coach her right now because I know say she not conscious at the moment, so I know she gonna say whatever. You understand? But I wanted this thing to go over. So yeah, she agreed and the doctor and the nurse came and they went over to her and they asked her like probably 3 different times to make sure so she know what she has said. And sister the pan yes the third time she said, "Wanna ask me that already?"
No, because me not fully remember, but I remember the person just keep on and say the same thing over and over. I'm like, why you keep on and say this? Me answer this already.
So that's my girl. Anyways, so they finally decided to do so. So we went into the theater, and I must say the team there, the surgeon, the nurses, they were really and truly welcoming. We were in the theater. Connie said, no, what going on here, sir. Me have to tell her, a good thing I recorded some of the stuff so she could
if you never recorded, more to believe.
So you see some of the clippings. What? Yeah, man. So they gave her the epidural. People, when I say them take out the needle,
me never
nobody
see
joking with that. So they gave her the epidural, you know the thing going in your spine, and what does them do again? I think so also, yeah. Then they ask her if she wants to music, but as I said, kind of says out of this world. So they asked me to choose a music for her to play in the room while I go through the procedure. So I didn't know what to look for because at that time my head is somewhere else because me fret as number one, me nervous, me tired.
Nervous.
So I made me say, we want the music, and there was an African nurse who said, no, go ahead. And some said, alright then. Some just type in gospel and then the song.
No, you asked me more.
You asked me what? Just a gospel, yeah, and I type in gospel. And then the song came up. The song that you're marching on when we're getting married.
Yeah.
What song again?
I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been
all my life you have been faithful, but it's not the one that we used to. Something to sing that one day. We put the name down, remember her name? But it's a really good medley. CC something like that, yeah. So they started to play that song and it broke my heart right away. I said, oh God. Then now I see them start.
Another song that me want him band to, I never tell him another song.
I came up and type in gospel, I was a came and I said, okay, good choice. I just select it and then I realized that was our wedding song, so okay. And kind of say, was there, he come out? He said, no, not yet. That time they were basically checking out the tools and put a little screen across her upper body. And they check several times to ensure that the drug actually reached where part of the place. Youth, you can't go and say that. Can't go through life, so. It is. It's stain. They checked several times just to ensure that she wasn't feeling any pain. So once they realized that everything was okay, the drug actually working as it was supposed to work, they started the thing. People, honestly, I never know say that takes so quick. I think 5 minutes. When they record the time, 5 minutes and the baby was out.
5 minutes between lay down cut, come out.
So 2:56 and 3:01 he was out. PM. So I was there and I could hear the little squawk and the little moving and thing. Yeah. And then I said my heart just started to toop 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 toop. And I said, can I say come out? And she said, yeah. And then she just started crying right away. I said, my baby.
What's your carry?
Oh, God.
You ever want to look at Thai?
I said, this truck.
Sorry.
She started crying. Let's show the part. I can't traumatize the part again. Anyhow, he came out and I said, my God, I was in the look at him and I said, hey boy, I see you look like. Because it I've never gotten the chance to see him like in the ultrasound. Even though I wouldn't see him good. But he always a cover his face in the scan. And I see this little dark skin youth and I mean saying little bit. And I said, Jesus Christ. Like, honestly, I was like, I don't know how I would have reacted before in terms of thinking about it. I didn't know how I would react exactly.
Well, and people see Cara coming.
And then...
You're not going to see little Cara pass between you now.
What can I say? Mix up.
Wait there.
Man, just stop.
Man, stop.
Wonderful.
Move now, make them see it. Wait there. Don't you look a purple car, people? You can't look a beanie if you have a tie.
So when he came out now, this little dark skin youth and him go on, him crying. I said, Jesus, I'm going to come out. And the nurse said, go and look at him. So I step over because they were basically helping him with his breathing right away. So
because in a little distress from the
contraction,
the induction and all of that. So,
and then after, I just started crying and everything, and she broke my heart. Honestly, they don't show the little part of the story. And they gave her the opportunity just to
laugh after me.
Okay. Yup. So that was it though. You understand? It was an experience of a lifetime, but right away, the thing with me is like, I am more not the in the moment kind of reaction person. After I soak in, then me get the good reaction. Because after, I go by myself and look for him and like stand up like 30 minutes and look for him from head to toe. I said, boy, you there? You understand, like make it look so keen. You say, yeah, reality, the baby's here. So that was it.
But me never get that chance right away. Like,
a lot of little things go down, but for the greater part, things work out perfectly, right? Because I was so out of it, like for probably the whole day. Because even after talking to her, she was like, okay, so and so, well, my grandmother. And she said, I said,
People me no know
can I
no
chat some
walk
foolishness?
no walk
I feel like tell her half hour, she said like 2 times I fell upon her and I said, oh God, I hope she come back. Because she gone.
at one point, like maybe the week after, me I said to Jerome, say, so at what point then like put me to sleep for carry me in the theater. And he like, you're not asleep.
You're
I'm
on
like,
wheelchair.
no.
Actually
Me did
record you
sleep
going
because
in.
me no remember going. Me just remember the baby come out. And he said, no, they never put it to sleep. So I said, who changed my clothes then? And he said, you change your clothes. Me stand up with you and you change your clothes. And I said, what you mean? Me not remember that. And then he showed me the video of me being wheeled out in the wheelchair and me smile and go. So I'm like, when did that happen? Me it show you, say, things are happening around me and me no conscious of it. Like, me no know say it happen.
Get Papi look for me. You understand what I'm saying? Papi.
So, yeah, people, there was a lot of like traumatizing things happening in that time, but you know, once God in the mix, everything have to work out.
And right away we stay at the hospital for about a week for Canessa's sake and I think 2 weeks for the baby.
Yeah.
But right through we were able to stay there. I was also able to stay with them and things work out. So the support was right there, and because of the C-section I know so right away things are kind of hard and kind of physically.
Yeah.
But we were there, I was there with them right through, and the nurses, I must say, I really and truly appreciate the support. We had some really good nurses that came by, check up on us, and whenever we want anything, in fact they insist on providing assistance and help. So that was really good. And then bam, here we are now.
Yes. So as it relates to like our slogan for the channel, like ready to love myself and love someone else and teach someone else how to love me, people only need to find people who love Huno and love Huno properly, and people that will love you enough to like fight for you when you can't fight for yourself. Because I was physically present but not mentally present, and I had somebody in my corner that could fight for me and make sure I'm good. Because if I was there by myself or anything, like God knows how that happened, because I couldn't advocate for myself. So
and you might hear we say advocate because there were some moments that we really had to do that.
When you might tell me about it, I say, what?
And we have to step up to make things go. But we're not going to get into it for reasons. But it wasn't an easy journey, and I would say to people that so when it comes down to your health and the health of your people, I'm don't afraid to load up your mouth. You understand? No matter where you want there, if you have to do it, do it.
Yeah.
But we're not going down the line there.
And if you don't know him, you know, so when team mouth start get loud.
No, when I come on to life and death, I don't play no. You understand? I love the story business around here. But yeah, man.
But yeah, it was a experience and a half, and we're happy that we came out of it alive and well and with a beautiful.
See, the boy cute like I'm father. Fred. No, sir. Babe, you know what things.
Beautiful baby boy. And he's here looking at us. And him do all of the baby things, the balling and everything.
Unfortunately, it's not that twin now because I was looking for the other one and the doctor said I couldn't find.
So tell me now, you could have, in everything we go through, it's things that we say and things that we not say. You could have managed to?
You know, I'm talking right now. I can't sleep.
Okay.
See, you put on this boy in this
point
nice.
Taken and done right this so.
If you listen to Canessa more, I don't know already from twin. I don't know about twin.
When you feel listen sometime, yeah?
God, honestly, God knows what's best. Me couldn't bother the two right now. I love Papi, you know, bad, you know. I tell them why Papi said, I look Papi and say, so your boy, you know, easy, you know. So make sure you know, say, anytime you start wake up ready for go to school, if you get up 4 o'clock to get ready, at 3 o'clock I wake you up. You like sleep, then when you take a from me, I take the bag.
You hear that? You hear all insult people? But anyway,
I'm sleep deprived, but
everybody's sleep deprived.
It's worth it though, honestly.
And it's but me also pick up my mother that ran some of the shifts so that Jerome could go home and rest. Yeah, pick up you.
And the moral support behind it is really good. I must big up Sir Mark just the same. the support is tremendous, and because of that, we get to pull through. You see it?
Yes, guys, so we just want to say thanks to our support system, my husband, my mother, and my father, and everybody who have come out and like call and text and everything. All of you, thank you very much. The people that prayed for us and all of that.
The comments, and there are some person who constantly call and them just check
And
up, trying to
check
see
up,
things that
yeah.
work out. Really appreciate it. We not get that name calling because we get in trouble, but we appreciate it. And as we go along, just continue to pray for us. We keep you guys updated as possible. I feel no way, don't know, say we can't say everything, you understand?
Yeah.
But we just try to share as much as we can share so we can encourage and help somebody as they go through the little passage. And for those who are planning on going through the passage, go through it on a real good something. You understand? Later we decide if we go back through it again.
Pardon?
Nah, provoke certain people here. Yeah, man, but big up on yourself, guys. Stay safe. Much love. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like the video, share the video, tell somebody about our channel. You understand? Yeah, man, that's one subscription, one share, one like. Anything, babe?
Thank you guys for watching, whether you watch for genuine reasons or not. Thanks for the views.
Thank you for the views. We got the help coming. Thank you guys for the views, okay? We love you.
Anyhow, guys, see you in the next one.